Hi, my name is Sarah Teach. I am an SEO at Knucklepuck. Today I want to talk to you about website security. To support a website's safety from cyber criminals, every site needs to have an SSL certificate, that is, Secure Sockets Layer. This certificate indicates that a site's technology is safe. That's because SSL technology creates an encrypted channel between your browser and your website server. Unfortunately, not all SSLs are created equally. Last year, engineers at Google and Mozilla investigated certificates Symantec Companies issued after reading a complaint from SSL Mate founder Andrew Ayer. These engineers discovered that Symantec had issued over 127 certificates that did not comply with the CIB forum standards. They looked deeper into the issue and found even more certificates that never should have been given. So if your certificate was issued by one of the following companies before June 16, 2016, you need to replace it: VeriSign, GeoTrust, Equifax, Thought, and RapidSSL. These SSL certificates have been deemed untrustworthy by Google developers. You probably got an email from your certificate provider letting you know what had happened, but just in case, it's always good to check. If you want to figure out how, just check out our blog at knucklepuckmedia.com.